Hello guys, today we went to Costco to shop for our India trip. So let's explore Costco. Hello guys. Yeah, we came to Costco now and we have to buy some gifts for our family members. So yeah, we came with Shravani. So let's go and explore some options for gifts. Are we planning to buy something else?
Let's see whatever we can find.
Yeah,
But let's
go.
focus on gifts first.
Yeah, we already bought some from Bath and Body Works, but yeah, I want specific.
We also went to the premium outlets.
Yeah.
Are you trying it for your new house?
I'm trying it for you guys to gift it to me. Really?
Okay, let's go.
On your marriage, maybe. You have to gift. So we are planning to buy this for $15. We just त्याच्यावरच करते. Sadhu, this looks good.
हे $40 आहे.
I think yeah, we can buy this too.
गिफ्ट म्हणून घेणारच.
No, असंच बघत होते. This looks good, yaar, Adu. I really like these balls, Adu. They are heavy. And it's good quality. Just for $13. But yeah, as we are going to India, I don't think we are planning to buy anything else right now, especially.
फुल गद्दा गद्दा घेतली तुम्ही का
ड्युटी फ्री बंद घ्यायची.
यार म्हणजे वेगळं
So they have
What?
इथे आंबे बघ किती मोठे आहेत.
It's a golden hammy melon. Ah, yeah. This will be too much for family of two. This will be too much because yeah, we are going to India. I'm not planning to buy anything from here. Do we need to buy something, Adu?
Will you be able to finish them
No.
within 4 days?
Just for $7. How many?
आल्यावर घे.
And this is just for $5.50. Look at the price.
And look at the quantity.
Yeah,
They are
it's,
huge.
yeah.
नाही का
No,
उद्या
no. Hey, we can.
खूप असेल ना
Do you want to buy bagels?
का दे
Huh? Let's buy sourdough.
but these are the sweet ones.
No,
I think they
no,
could.
I don't want it then. Please look at these cakes, but yeah, we'll not able to finish it. This is also too. It's huge. So here I am explaining Adu that how he should take my videos so I look good in it.
Guys, these girls are stopping at every section.
दोन ती पेप्सी मी
Should we buy this coconut water? No, Shravani, I'm going to India. I cannot buy anything. Adu, should we buy milk?
संपणार नाही.
Half can, just half can.
Half is not there. They have 1 gallon.
We just have half can at home. I don't think. But they comes with this. Just for $18. We bought 2 for I think so $10. Huh, but we just want. I think this one is better and we already tried it, so let's buy this. We do have hand wash at home. We do. Just for $12. And you get pack of 100. I'm definitely gonna revisit Costco once I'm back from India. famous pink drink.
Not bad. $17 like okay.
And they have coconut water too. Does it has? When I'll be back. So only
950.
beverage है बने.
Very nice.
It must have sugar. Milk नहीं है दे. Beverage made with. Everything bagel seasoning, and I was looking for it for so long.
Jeera masala.
This is really good. Shravani, take this.
And do what?
Arey, it's really good. You can put it on anything.
You come back and then I will buy.
Okay. Then I will also buy it. No?
No, but it's too big.
Things we came here for. Let's buy some chocolate. Let's go from that side, I think. I want to buy one night dress, but what do you think? Does it look good, Shravani? It's okay, right? It's not that good. Walmart, they have really good night dress. For me? We are planning to buy something for Papa and Baba. Yeah, let's go to that side.
No, thank you. Have a great day.
Wow. Lot of chocolates. I so want to try this Adu. लेना है क्या तुमको? Guys, we are almost done with our shopping. We got a lot of chocolate for our family, and maybe we will buy some nuts, but I'm not sure like what to buy because we will not able to carry so much luggage. But hopefully we are almost done, and I bought something for myself too, like some chocolates. Costco is really good. I never been here, but yeah, it looks really good. So guys, we are planning to eat something in just for
Night drink set.
now. We are done with our shopping, and now let's eat something because we are really hungry. What time is it?
Almost 8.
Yeah, it's almost 8, and yeah, let's go and eat something.
Oh shit! Damn! So hot.
So we are planning to go to Chipotle,
Are we?
but you said you want to eat Chipotle,
I mean,
right?
I
So
don't
we have to
eat
go to
anything.
Chipotle if you want to
we
eat
can go
Chipotle.
anywhere.
So yeah, now let's keep all these things. So guys, now we came to Middle Eastern Appetite, and we are having shawarma today.
मग आता तू आज मायक्रोफोन का नाही घेतला टेस्टिंग झाली असते ना
I forgot. But yeah, we came to shawarma place, and now we are taking to go. So we are just waiting for our order. It will take almost 25 minutes, and I'm already
हो
going.
25 मिनिट बनते
Yeah, 25 to 30
दोनच
minutes.
किलो
Should we go home?
कसं होतं हां घरी जाऊन मस्त मूवी देखते देखते
Oh, yeah, So we got our food after waiting for 30 minutes and we ate it at home. So that's all for our casual Costco visit. If you want detailed Costco vlog, please let me know in the comments so I can make a new video for it. Thank you.